Hi everybody. So this is the last group of floral families that we will discuss, and it's Gramineae. Now if you remember, I had told you that Compositae, Orchidae, Gramineae, these are your top 3 families, right? So Gramineae is the third largest family, but Indian flora में ये largest है, most. Okay? Now, it is also very interestingly the most advanced monocot family क्योंकि इन्होंने they've greatly reduced and modified their floral parts. Okay, this makes reproduction efficient. This makes predation lower. So they are extremely advanced. So they are your grasses, the grass family. है ना? इनके फ्लोरल स्ट्रक्चर को अगर देखोगे 3 चीजें, लेमा, पैलिया एंड ऑन्स. ये 3 things we'll have to understand. So lemma is a bract which covers the whole inflorescence. ठीक है? लेमा के अंदर एक सॉफ्टर ब्रैक्टियोल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं जिनको हम कहते हैं पैलिया. पैलिया और लेमा मिलके सारे रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स को कवर करके रखते हैं टिल द फ्लावर बिकम्स मैच्योर. ओके? एंड द ऑन्स आर बेसिकली extensions of the lemma which are twisted or straight protective devices. ठीक है? तो इसके पास लेमा है, पैलिया है. अब इंफीरियर और सुपीरियर पैलिया क्या है? तो अगर पैलिया ब्रैक्टेओल के नीचे है तो इंफीरियर, ब्रैक्ट के नीचे लेमा के, और लेमा के ऊपर है तो सुपीरियर. ठीक है? Obviously it is bisexual. Now also it doesn't have separate corolla or calyx. It has boat-shaped lodicules 2 से 3. Obviously polyandrous. 2 holes में हो सकते हैं. Biseriate हो सकता है. Gynoecium can either contain 1 free carpel or 3 fused carpel, such that the gynoecium is superior, therefore the flower is inferior. Okay, which means the hypogynous flower. Yeah. Now the whole structure produced by the lemma and the palea and the awn is known as the glume. The glume covers the whole inflorescence till the flower reaches maturity. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now the presence of the glumes are one of the factors why it is so advanced. Coming to its important plants. This species is also known as the cereal species. Cereals are grains that we consume. So some major cereals like wheat, maize, rice, barley, oat, all of your millets, sorghum, rye, bajra, jowar, ragi, samak, all of them will fall under this group. Okay? Now, wheat, starting with the Triticum genera. The genera Triticum is important and interesting because इसमें हम normal diploidy we obviously get where the 2n number is 14. Okay? The example is monococcum. They are known as the acorn wheat. Acorn wheat. Now they can be tetraploid, double. Okay? So now they have 28 chromosomes, which is then their 2n number. Okay, but they're basically tetraploids. If X is 7, then they are 7 into 4. Okay, so N is equal to X पकड़ के चलो. Or the 2n number is the final number. So X is equal to 7 यहाँ पे. ठीक है ना? Now, example is durum. Durum is also known as macaroni wheat because it is lesser in gluten. Therefore, you will see that the bigger brands of wheat, they claim to use durum wheat, durum variety. Why? Because it's said to be less gluten, and there is already this trend of eating less gluten that is going around. So therefore, durum wheat. Okay. Aloe hexaploid is 6x. है ना? So 42, right? That is Triticum vulgare. It is usually the most commonly used one and most suitable one as well because vulgare has the highest amount of gluten in it. Therefore, it is a bread wheat. It's used to make white breads as well as rotis and chapatis that we consume. Okay, moving to maize. Maize is important because it is one of the highest yielding cereals and it's one of the tallest cereals. Yeah, the name is very unique. It's Zea maize. Okay, rice, Oryza sativa. This is the most widely cultivated cereal in the world. Right, so many countries have a rice-based diet. For tropical countries, it is the highest produced cereal. So barley, it is the oldest. Oat, avena. Avena is used for tests for PGR. Okay, PGR testing के लिए use करते. Plant growth hormone के growth को समझने के लिए avena has been widely used, and therefore avena is important. Other than that, it's also a gluten-free option cereal, which is again healthier. Okay, sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum, obviously important because we derive sugar from it and also derive bagasse from it. So once sugar has been pressed for its juice, the juice is taken and you make sugar out of it. Whatever is remaining is called bagasse. It is used as a fodder. It can be used in multiple other platforms, as well as molasses are made from it, which contributes to formation of alcohol. Bamboo, Bambusa, unique because hollow stem. Okay, we have covered all groups right now. I know again it's a lot to remember, but go through the videos, write them down, start jotting them, and we'll catch up if there are any doubts. Let me know. Thank you. We'll do fruits after this. So yeah, keep watching this thread because we will be finishing the chapter soon. Thanks.